So here at Suntado, we have a mission to put out as much milk out of our factory a day. We are trying to produce the best quality of milk in the nation, be it aseptic or extended shelf life. In the early days, we were looking for an end-of-line solution that would keep up with the high-speed fillers. And Robopac really stepped up and was there during the design phase and, daily talks, project management meetings, and basically took it by the reins and designed the whole end-of-line solution. Since we've gotten all the lines up and going, we're meeting our expectations on the end-of-line equipment. Efficiencies are getting higher and higher. It's really been a great solution, a great partnership with Robopac.